A new day is dawning in Nigeria, most especially in Yoruba land. The clamor is stronger. The drumbeat goes from state to state and city to city. From the brown roof city, pace-setter state of Oyo to the sunshine state of Ondo, land of virtue in Osun,
the land of harmony, Kwara, to the confluent state, Kogi,
through the gateway state, Ogun, to Ekiti state, land of honor and integrity, up to the center of excellence, Lagos state. The clarion call can be heard as Yoruba One Voice worldwide demand for an independent statehood of Yoruba nation.
Yoruba One Voice is a coalition of about 63 organizations. And it's a group that brought various social-cultural groups in diaspora together to champion the cause of the Yoruba people and to champion the welfare of the Yoruba people, to deliver the Yoruba people from the shackle of oppressors on the basis of liberation and emancipation of the Yoruba people.